I've been selling real estate in Merida for a few years, and recently I toured with multiple clients who had a lot of misinformation or couldn't find all the complete information for the golf courses available in Merida. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the 4 golf courses available in Merida and their unique features. Starting at the top with the most exclusive, the Yucatán Country Club. This 18-hole course is the most prestigious and challenging in the area. The main objection for this course is their high action cost and monthly HOAs, with the initial action cost of $80,000 US. The Yucatán Country Club is divided into smaller private neighborhoods with land, condos, and single-family homes being sold for those of you looking for the most exclusive golf living experience. Moving on with the most accessible one, La Ceiba is located in proximity to the Yucatán Country Club. Also, an 18-hole, this course is known to be more accessible for people that don't live in the area. So for those of you wanting to play golf without the price tag of living inside one of the courses, this will be your top option to start with. Moving on to Country Lakes, a new concept coming up in 2027. Lots are being sold on pre-sale for what it looks to be a wonderful option, offering a similar luxury to the Country Club. This is a great opportunity for those investors or golfers a few years away from retirement. Lastly, moving on to the 4th option and best value overall, in my opinion, we find Provincia and Gran Provincia in Comchen. Provincia at the moment is an executive 9-hole course, with their second 9 holes in pre-sale at Gran Provincia, offering a great variety of entry options for buyers. These golfers comes included in the HOA of the development, rounding between $300 to $500 per month. The main advantage for this course is that it's prepared for nighttime play, which if you live in a hot place like Merida, the late afternoon and night are some of the best tee times. And there you have it, guys. These are the top 4 options for golfers looking to live in this beautiful city of Merida. If you're a golfer searching for a home in these areas, be sure to connect with us using the information below. Hasta luego.